Hi everyone, thanks for tuning into Forces of Nature, a series brought to you by 4-H of Monroe County. We're going to be learning about how crazy and how wonderful nature can be without even leaving your room. Meanwhile, we'll be putting together some fun activities that anyone could do. Today, we're going to cool things down a bit and talk all about ice. We're going to use common kitchen supplies to make and then enjoy some sweet homemade ice cream. So buckle up and let's get started. In order to make ice cream, you will need sugar, vanilla extract, a large plastic container, milk or half and half. I'm just going to use half and half. Spoons, ice, Ziploc bags, and measuring cups and spoons. Can you guess how all of these materials are going to come together to make ice cream? Go ahead and make some predictions in the comments. While you're at it, why don't you tell me what other ingredients you might add to this experiment to make the ice cream taste like your favorite flavors. Step 1. Fill the plastic container half full with ice. Add 6 tablespoons of rock salt. Step 2. In the Ziploc bag, put in 1/2 cup of milk or half and half. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Step 3. Seal the bag and put duct tape around the opening of the bag to ensure that there will be no leaks. Step 4. Place the Ziploc bag inside the container and close the lid. Step 5. Shake vigorously until the mixture becomes ice cream. This process takes approximately 5 minutes. Step 6. When the ice cream is done, wipe off the outside of the bag, open it, and enjoy. So, what'd you think? Have you or anyone you know ever used salt to help get rid of the ice during the winter? We just did something similar here. Ice has to absorb energy in order to melt, changing the phase of water from a solid to a liquid. When you add salt to ice, it lowers the freezing point, so even more energy has to be absorbed from the environment in order to make ice melt. This makes the ice cooler than it was before, which is how your ice cream freezes. That was all the experiments I had for today. Be sure to tune in to 4-H of Monroe County regularly for more Forces of Nature videos and all kinds of activities as well. Thanks everyone, take care.